Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and we do a lot of unboxings and things about makeup. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Okay, since we got that out of the way, today we are going to be unboxing June's Ipsy Plus. I was very, each box I get this month, I'm really surprised I'm getting it. I seen this got shipped out, and I don't know, it was like, going to the post office, but I don't know, the FedEx man ended up delivering it, so very happy for that. So this is the Ipsy Plus. It's $25 a month. You get, 5 full-size products and a medium-sized bag. They do have the ultimate bag, which is $50 a month. You get 12 products, 8 of them being full, 4 deluxe size samples, and a big makeup bag. Then they also have the Ipsy regular glam bag. It's $12 a month now. And you get 5 deluxe size products and a cute little bag. Okay, we got all that out of the way. So, used to, Ipsy Plus was my favorite because, I don't know, $5 a product. They used to be, more higher-end, makeup products. But, I don't know, I've noticed a lot anymore. We do get stuff that is, I got Wet n Wild in here. And that's, one of the cheapest brands you can get at the drugstore. So, I don't know, it just seems like it's not as full-size as it used to be. Or, not full-size, but as, higher brands like they used to be, or luxury brands. But you still get some higher brands, but you also do get drugstore. Okay. Our card this month is, the theme is Make Waves. And really nothing about our product, so we don't need that. I've noticed here lately they haven't been sending our cards with our prices on it. I like that. I don't know about anybody else, but I do like that. So, I don't know. I wish I'd go back to doing it like that. Here's our bag. Our big one was blue, identical to this, but it was blue. And it's got the same women. A red-headed woman, a blue-headed woman, a black-headed woman, and a blondish, maybe white, pinkish color. She's got a pink tone to her. So right here it is. Here is the inside. They are nice bags. I do like them. Okay, so our first product is by TULA Skincare. It is Protect Plus Glow. This is a daily sunscreen, gel broad spectrum, SPF 30. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but right now, I could use this every time I'm out in the sun. I don't know if it's my skin or if it's the sun UV rays or whatever. It feels hotter. I burn easier, and it's really getting on my nerves. I would like to get a tan and quit burning. I'm working on it, but I don't know about burning, so I don't know. Right here was a burn spot. It is blistered up. It's healing, so hopefully it gets better, but I don't know. I'll get these, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little blister right here, and they pop up right there's one. Then I end up scratching them off and leaving little spots, but they're every time I'm out. So I really need to wear sunscreen this year. So I am glad to get that. My eye is watering for making my eyes look funny. Okay. So this one is probiotic skincare. And we are getting 1.74 ounces, which is 50 milliliters. Really do like the tubing. And then right here it is. And this is clean and efficient. So I don't know if it goes I'm just gonna rub it in. It's got slightly that sun smells scent to it, but not like other ones I've tried. Other ones has got such an overpowering smell that I really don't like them, but I do wear them. And the smell's really just going away. So this will come in very handy. Then we got something by Ciate London. This is their Marble Metals. It is a metallic glittered eyeshadow. We're getting net weight 0.141 ounces, which is 4 grams. It's multi-reflection, long-lasting, metallic glitter hybrid. And they are like vegan friendly. So here she is. I like it already. Just hopefully it's a color that I will use. Enter Wine is the name. Okay. So I had a bunch of these, like, remember when Hard Candy had these, like, years back? And then you could, like, the eyeshadow would come up and then you could just flatten it right back out. So it's the same concept. It was like some kind of shock. Like when you used it, it was like really intense. So I really, really like that. I am going to put a little bit here. Especially where my eyes been watering. Maybe that'll fix it. Okay. But you can like scrape it up. This one's like whiter than what the Wet n Wild is. And then you see like it's crumbling everywhere. Okay. Well, I'll lose it before I do it. So then you just take this and give it a little couple twists. And perfect. Okay. So I do like that. I'm going to go ahead and put this up here with my glitters so I can remember that. Okay, so our next thing is some more skincare. And this is by NACIFIC. This is their Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream. And we're getting 30 milliliters in here, which is 1.01 flow ounces. It's from nature. Only essential ingredients with you. Believes in healthy ingredient. NACIFIC believes in only healthy ingredients for strong, healthy, glowing skin. Nourish, repairs damage, soothes irritation, and revitalize the skin with natural products. So this is like Fresh Herb Eye Cream. I don't know what kind of herbs, but right here it is. I do like the tube. It's just plain white. It's just clean looking. So here it is. I love a good eye cream, one that actually works, because that's the thing about me and eye creams. I've noticed a lot of them does not work. You put them on and they absolutely do nothing at all. So I do like the feeling of that. It's really slick, though. It does have a smell to it. I don't actually know what it is. It's got like that, I don't know. It's like a little slick, smooth feeling. If it'll make your eyes smooth, we all hope. Okay, so we got a product by Laura Geller. I already like the way it's looking. So we got some roses, and this is Laura Geller, New York, Urban Garden Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. And it is inspired by New York's hidden gardens, blooming rooftops, and iconic parks. We created this palette of eyeshadows and a blush and a highlighter so you can easily create the latest beauty looks of the season. Free of all parabens, mineral oil, gluten, sulfates, and falsifies. Okay, so we got a little bitty mirror. Okay, I do like the way it looks. It is very cute. You're not getting much to work with, but you know, really, you can make a really good eye look with this, and then throw some blush on and a little highlighter, and you're good to go. But I really like the roses, so I really hate swatching this because they're already going away. So here is Turtle Pond, Sheep Meadow. Well, it's like a very light pink. And Bellaverde Castle. Like, I didn't like, that's like very like. Then we got Cherry Hill. I really like that color. Then our blush is Strawberry Fields. I don't know why I would swatch blush, but I'm doing it anyway. Then I'm like thinking this highlighter is going to be really pretty. You could make, I could use the Strawberry Fields, the Sheep Meadows, and probably the Castle, and then use some of the highlighter and make a really good eye look, because you don't have to, because it's supposed to be blush or highlighter, don't mean you can use it on the eyes. You can use it for whatever you want to. So I could make a really good eye look. The Sheep Meadow and the other one, it's just like really, these two, they're really like pale. So you'd really need more than that one bright color for me. Okay. So we are already on our last product. And it is by HAUS Laboratories. And hopefully it's lipstick, because I ain't got one on, and my lips are needing something. So this is in Venus. I still don't know what it is. I think it's a gloss. La Right gloss. Now, I haven't used anything that she's made. I've been wanting to. I just ain't done it. I've seen the eyeshadow palette. Really liked it. But I love this. Looks really pretty. I really like the design. I like when companies do that. My nails look awful. It's time to do them again. I do like the Adolfo. So it's just like a pink gloss. But we're going to put this baby on. But first, let's talk about the Adolfo. I really like that. I love the shape. It's going to hug your lip really good. And this back here is like, it'll have some, you can just then turn it around. But it is such a pretty color. So let me get a little bit more. So I really, really like it. When it comes to lip gloss, I'm very, very funny. And it pays to be particular with anything you wear on your face. I cannot stand lip gloss that when you, and you feel like you've got this goo just everywhere. And it's like, I don't know, I can't stand it. So a lot of times I don't even wear lip gloss over it. So I'm very particular about what lip glosses I do wear. And I do like this. It doesn't have that like stickiness. It's got a little bit, but just enough. I think this would look good on its own with another lipstick, like in a matching this color, or you know, around the color. So I do like that. And I think it really looks good with the makeup look I already got. So everything worked out there. I want to do my makeup a little bit different. So I like contoured everything different. Used like more of like pinkish tones today to, I don't know, little red tones to contour and everything with, as you can tell. But I want to do something different, step outside the box. I always think you should, especially because, you know, your face is your canvas and you should do it the way you want to. And that's how I done it today. Just went with the colors I wanted. So I like what I contoured with today was from a blush palette. I contoured with this. These two colors right here. It's like, looks a bit more brown here, but I don't know. It's like a pinkish brown. So I thought that would look really good to contour with. And then my blush only went like right in here. But that's what I think about makeup. I think makeup is something that is individually what we should, whatever we want. And not to worry about what anybody else thinks about it. Wear it the way you want it. And that's how I'm going to do it. And I hope you guys do it that way too. Then because I think it is like your canvas. Like your face is your canvas, or somebody else's face can be your canvas if you're doing makeup on somebody else. But, oh no. I like the eyeshadow palette. When I first seen it, I thought it was going to be a little bit more. It had a couple, like, really light colors that would be harder to work with, to really get out there. They are nice colors, but as you can see, like, you can barely see them. So, I did like these three colors right here in this. It's not my favorite palette, and I don't know, I like to work with something that has a little bit more colors to it. I will try it. The blush was such a pretty color. I'm really happy to get the TULA skincare because I really need all the SPF I can get right now. Really, really, probably my favorite item in the package. And I did like the eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow. And the eye cream. I always like a good eye cream. So, I don't know. This box was probably like 3.5 out of 5. The eyeshadow palette wasn't like, you know, I don't know. Just wasn't what I was expecting it to be. I do like it, but I don't know. Not my favorite, but not the worst. Pretty good box. I don't know. I'm just not crazy about eyeshadow palettes like this. I don't know. Maybe it's me. They just don't do it for me. When I want an eyeshadow palette, I want like something that's got a lot of colors in it that I can dip into and make whatever I'm feeling of the day. I don't want just a couple of colors. I like, as you see, I like to work with this color a lot. I like to work with this color. Or something like this. You never know. I might do these one day and these another day. It's just, I like to have opportunities. I don't want to sit down and just have a few things to work with. I want to be able to dip into whatever I'm feeling for that day. But I guess this is it. If you guys would like to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down below. And I guess that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.